Hey, look at all us meeting here to watch Ann cook some food. Hey, everybody. All right, she's taking big pieces of chicken, cutting it into smaller pieces of chicken. Good start. Easy to follow. This is where she loses me. Lots of ingredients mixed with that chicken. I can identify one of these ingredients, and that is chicken. It's one of my favorite dishes, top 10 that she makes, but I have no idea what goes into it. But, like always, down in the description below, everything you need to know how to make it. She always ends it with usually a little smiley face. Makes you happy. Alright, green onions, I can identify that. Doing pretty good here. Chicken, mystery ingredients, green onion. I'm feeling confident I could pull this off. Oh, and pepper. Man, I'm batting 1,000 today. Should be a chef. Commentating's way easier. Alright, more chopping. And oiling. And mixing. What are we doing here? We're just cooking it all up. Adding our chicken bits. With all those mystery ingredients. This really is a really good dish. I'm not making it up because I'm trying to hype Ann up. It's really delicious. More stuff I don't know what it is. Mix. Oh, mix and boil. Are we reducing? Boiling? I don't even know what we're doing. She gave the voila hand. And then over rice. With naan bread. That naan bread's good stuff. I think we just made it through another one. It's incredible. It's going to be the last talking one for a little while. It's, I shouldn't say talking, voiceover. We're switching our format up. It's kind of a surprise. It's going to be more like a full-on cooking show. It's going to be a lot of fun. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh. Hey, we did do it. Man, we're good. All right. I'll talk to you in the next one. Okay, bye.